What's going on?
Are we doing things?
Yeah, I hit the go button. It's got that green. It's got that yellow.
You hit it too late.
I'm
You
scared.
missed my
Yeah,
pterodactyl noise.
yeah. Caleb threw in a little pterodactyl noise, so it's already fun. Hopefully our audio isn't crap as usual. I did a little audio test, but then it might have died. Like it.
I mean, if it's crap,
Tends
then
to.
someone will comment going, "What the hell?" like normal.
You sound like robots, as usual.
We have 3 people watching. Does our audio sound okay, people watching?
We got 3 people watching already.
4. 5.
You guys are quick on that trigger.
6.
Notification squad.
Everybody camps on your Discord every night hoping that you're going to stream.
I need to make an announcement in the Discord.
Oh, it's 10 p.m. already. Holy moly.
Yeah, dude,
It's
we're
actually
way too late.
10:17. My bread
Thanks, Soul.
is not gonna go. in
Soul
the
is here already. How come mine late party, late stream? All right, so we're doing Python Challenge, which I haven't touched in some years. There's a horrible, awful, low-quality playlist on my channel, but that's code written years ago.
Back when you sucked.
Yeah, back when I didn't know as much as I know now. So there's not. Now we're gonna be able to do it, and I'm gonna speedrun, and Caleb's gonna speedrun, and Julian's gonna speedrun.
I've never seen it before. So this
Yeah,
is interesting.
you guys have never seen this before, so it should be fun.
Me, Speedy, and running aren't able to be in the
I've
same
seen
sentence.
Julian try and it's not gonna be a speed.
We're trying a little bit of a different setup here, where I have different inputs in OBS. So I've got Caleb's screen as one source and Julian's screen as another source, and I hopefully don't have to switch between as many of them as I did in OBS. So we can just hop to one another, and they're visible down on the bottom. So click here to get challenged.
Want me to click that?
You're just highlighting everything. Yeah,
What do I
I
do?
was just highlighting back and forth.
you're good.
Where do I
I
click?
mentioned a minute ago. I spoiled my reaction a
Yeah.
minute ago, but I mentioned a minute ago. This looks
I
exactly
was yelling at you.
like Not Prawn. If anyone's ever seen that.
Hopping on Not
That's
Prawn?
what I thought about when I clicked on the go button.
Yeah.
I was like, "Whoa, it's Not Prawn. It looks the same type of thing." I never finished that game.
Cool. Oh, that looks like fun. Akash, hello. Welcome.
Oh. Am I supposed to start doing this?
Yeah, dude. We're doing it. We're doing it live.
And
2 to the... where's MATLAB?
You immediately reached for MATLAB in a
That-
Python challenge.
That was
Yiggles, here we go. Null Pixel, thank you for. I'm glad you
I
came.
thought that's what it meant. I wanted me to do.
2 to the power of 38. That's a big number.
It is
Oh,
a...
38. I typed 32. That's probably why it didn't work.
You fool.
I'm
I'm
an
gonna
idiot.
get
What can
obliterated.
I say?
Everyone thinks twice before solving this. I'm just gonna throw in a quick whip.
Don't worry, I use Google Calculator.
Me too.
Quick on the trigger.
You use Google Calculator? Oh.
Everybody thinks twice before solving this. Use the hints, they're helpful most of the times.
What's that thing I was looking for?
Quick
Instigate. If we're looking
I
for
don't even know
spoilers.
what Quick is.
Yes, you do.
Do I though?
Yeah.
Is this a substitution cipher or is this Rot 13?
I don't know. I was gonna throw magic at it because I'm a fucking loser.
Like Cyber Chef? Is that what you're doing right now?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Quip Club. is
Yiggles.
closed.
You're the man. Thanks so much, brother. Thank you. Hey,
Shitty
there's a
Yiggles.
guy that started at my work. Actually, I'll tell you this offline. There's a guy that started at my work that has a name that is awfully similar to yours, but it's not yours. And it makes me think of you every time I see him, and I shed a single tear.
Only a single?
Yeah, that's really all Yiggles deserves.
Wow.
I love you, brother. Thank you so much. You're the man.
Aw, none of these worked.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing right now.
So, Quip Quip says, I hope you didn't translate this by hand. That's what computers are for. Doing it...
What is Quick Quip? What do you?
Quip Quip is a substitution cipher.
No, it's an automated puzzle solver. It's not just substitution solvers.
Oh.
Ciphers.
Yeah.
Good evening, Shadow Sputnik. Thanks for coming to hang out.
Good evening, sir. But I can't actually, like, there's a couple things that are off, so I can't really see what it is.
Whoa! I started to write like a shebang line that was bin bash, but I'm supposed to be doing Python, so you know.
You've been doing too much of that at work, apparently.
Oh, we are supposed to do this in Python.
I mean,
I'm sorry. I'm over sitting over here in Cyber Chef.
That yeah. I mean, whatever.
I'll do it in Python. I'll do it like I'm supposed to do it.
Subwell Challenge 2.py.
I have no shame.
There's a new version of Sublime Text out. Is that right?
Yes, I upgraded it.
What is that?
It's not much different. You can't tell.
P-Tone B, hello, welcome. Thanks for coming to hang out, guys.
Ahoy, friends.
I know this is like a late night stream. Hopefully there'll be a little bit more views in the later when it's posted as a video. That should be fun. I'm in the classic bathrobe. So I came home from work. I left at 3 p.m. and I have a long commute. Sorry, I hit the microphone. So I got home at like 4:15, and I was fading on the road home. I was falling asleep, and that's not a good thing. That's bad. So I went to bed, and then I woke up at 8:15. A little 4-hour nap. So I'm kind of killing my sleep schedule.
It's a pretty common thing for you, though.
Yeah. I don't know why I keep accidentally doing this.
Yeah, I mean, it's not accidental.
Or did you jump to the next level, Caleb?
Yeah.
Didn't want to write the substitution cipher in Python? Or
Uh-huh.
what was it? Was it ROT 13?
It wasn't right. It was technically ROT 28.
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, so
Oh.
I assume it's exactly what K to M. What's the?
Oh, there's a mapping. I didn't even stinking
I
know.
assume those are the.
Yeah.
So
Well,
for
then-
those of you who don't know what CyberChef is, it's an entirely client-side page that allows you to do a whole bunch of cool cyber things. Cyber buzzword, cyber. So if you switch to my screen, John.
Yes, I'm sorry.
or actually, it's on your screen too, so you can see it too.
No.
It's a 2. Sorry. It's
There's a
ROT
whole
2.
bunch of there's
What,
compression,
two?
there's
Some people think
hashing,
twice
there's
about
code
this,
tidying. There's a bunch of networking stuff, HTTP, URL decodes, all that good stuff to be able to.
gotcha.
And if your organization doesn't like you using third-party tools, you can go on their GitHub, generate the page, and then serve it internally as well, which is kind of cool. But yeah. Anyway, what's this string.maketrans, guys? I don't know what that means.
You
Probably
can
should just Google it.
create like a translation table
Okay.
in Python, which
Yeah.
is neato. Sorry. For those of you that haven't seen this is pythonchallenge.com. So come speedrun along. I almost just copy and pasted the entire challenge 2 ciphertext in the prompt.
Oh, cool. Okay, that makes sense.
The guy in the cap, sorry, I don't know your name. You're not audible. Can you increase your mic volume?
I am
Classic
talking,
Caleb.
So I don't
His
know
name's
what's going-
Caleb.
I have a little
I
text that
refuse
says
to
Caleb
sit like
screen.
this, like Julian wants me to. So
I mean, you don't have to get up on it. You just have to be like
You don't have to eat
4
the
to 5
microphone.
inches away from
Literally, I'm next to it.
it. It also doesn't help that you're looking to the right.
These
when you talk.
advertisements on your screen are just really funny, Caleb.
Mine, this thing, I don't know what the fuck this is.
Yeah.
AT&T DirecTV is about to drop up to 23 channels. I'm just reading about Make Trans, okay? That's all I'm trying to do.
Well, I think MakeTrans was the solution to the previous problem.
I know.
Oh, okay.
I'm still reading the documentation on the function that I didn't know existed.
Oh, that's cool. Now apply on the URL. So what is
Yep. So apply a ROT2 on the name of the file. Like on the word map.
it? ROT2?
That's what it is. ROT 28 is ROT2.
Oh.
There's only 26 letters.
Got it. Yep, that makes sense. N O
Let's look at the source code.
Ad blocker plus. I'm glad you guys are.
C
What?
P
We got some talk about ad blocker plus. You need that for your browser, Caleb.
What is ad block? Oh yeah.
Oh. What is ad blocker?
I
Oh.
had it for a long
okay.
time, but I don't really know why I don't have ad blocker anymore. I don't.
I think at one point I set up a Pi-hole on our network too to just sinkhole all the ad DNS requests. Have you ever seen that project, John?
Yeah.
Pi-hole?
Yes.
I just set it up in a virtual machine and then ran it on the network for a while, but then I think the virtual machine, I don't know if it's even powered on anymore.
What are those?
So, like, when I saw that originally
Those are what?
years ago, Caleb, I think I did some disgusting, like, horrendous, like, string and split and
What are
cut.
we looking for though? I'm confused.
Find rare characters.
What
in
is
the
a
mess
rare
below.
character?
So, things that only occur a few times rather than all the other times.
Oh, so collections like do like a
Yeah,
character
I would
count.
use counter in that case.
What?
I can never remember like the name of the. Is
Yeah.
this collections
You're
dot counter?
always bad with names, Caleb.
Yeah. That's why I'm here to remind you of all the things that you forget.
Well, that's what Google is.
He just
for,
needs a
so-
full-time handler.
Mm,
Caleb, Yiggles, thank you. I don't know why I called you Caleb.
awkward.
uncomfortable.
How do I?
Do, do,
Okay,
do.
that's what I thought it was.
What's CFC, John?
What the heck? List found?
John, what's CFC?
What is CFC?
Yeah.
I guess I don't know what you're referring to.
Sup, John? Thanks for helping out with CFC last year. Hope you'll join us again this coming year.
Cyberforce. Thank you, Wellington. Thank you so much.
Red team.
I hope that's kind of like okay.
That was the weekend I had duty.
I hope you were cool with me. I hope that's okay for that showcasing of what we kind of put together. Those weird text in green, I would pass that in set, so throw unique set of values which may help you. Cash, that's a good idea. Yeah, you can totally remove duplicates with that. I'm getting like Snapchats from my lady, and it's it's distracting.
Yeah.
I mean, just ignore Caitlin. That's the
I can't
thing
do
to
that.
Yeah, you can.
Whoops.
I say so. You can tell her I said so.
I would never.
No.
Blasphemy.
That's not what I wanted.
Caleb, it looks like you're doing the cool stuff right now. Can you crank that terminal up a little bit? I hope that's like a formal word.
What is this thing
Yeah,
called?
just crank
Python?
that terminal up, bro.
Yeah, can you make that a little bit bigger? Crank it up. Why am I getting a string in
there's
this?
all the things.
For C in ciphertext, if C is not in there. What even is it?
Oh, do I need to remove all the new
So
line
wait, what are we
characters?
supposed to be doing?
So so see how a lot of those have like a lot of
The ones that
occurrences,
only
like
have one
6,000?
occurrence?
Yes.
Are we supposed to do it in what order?
Um,
Oh, in the order they appear, probably.
probably.
Oh wait, I got Snapchats.
Good luck.
Does this work? It does.
When John refers to you as his lady, Yiggles, you're the one that was throwing money at me, so. Thank you for keeping the people entertained, Caleb. I was distracted. We have 40 people that are hanging out with us, so I'm very, very grateful.
We have
Does this replace
40
all
people
40
watching
people.
our miserable lives.
Sweet.
What did you do? You just kind of removed them all?
So I can.
Oh, yeah, I replaced them all in order? That's smart.
Data equals data dot. Oh wait, no. If I don't know what I'm doing.
48. Shout out Sputnik. Thank you, brother. Keep bringing the people in. This is a weird thing, and I don't know what it's doing.
You're buffering, John.
Am I buffering?
Yeah.
What is going on? Please explain. So we're playing Python Challenge, which is an online riddle game that offers a lot of small tasks to accomplish in Python. I'm still stuck on number 1 because I'm trying to write it in a little bit of Python.
What?
Is it just me, or does the stream randomly buffer every now and again? Yes.
So in order to get both of our screens, we ended up. I'm on a peer-in, or he's on a peer-in. I'm on Discord sharing our screens, and I think John's computer is just struggling to keep up.
Yeah.
Plus, it's also streaming.
The Dell XPS is not as good as she touts to be.
I mean, she is. She just.
Does string dot replace inline, or do you have to assign it to a new string?
It'll replace inline. No, I'm sorry. It does return the new string, so you'll have to assign it. Oh, I'm adding the new string the entire time. I'm just an idiot. Of course, I should have known.
I'm completely lost on this challenge. What are we supposed to do?
Which one are you working on right now?
The one that everyone else is working on. What do I
If you
need to
didn't
do?
translate it by hand, that's what computers are for.
Oh fuck. You need to find the ones that don't have very many occurrences. Oh fuck. Don't mind me. I'm
What you just
screaming
said
acidity.
doesn't make any more sense.
That's what we tell him every day of his life.
Yeah, I'm not really accomplishing anything, as usual. OCR!
Hey, John, maybe try. Oh, it'll probably destroy your connection if you drop off the Ethernet. I don't know.
Let's find out. As the
Sorry.
stream goes down, everybody, I'll be right
Boom,
back.
Got it.
Sorry, guys.
Looks like we're still cool. Looks like we're still cruising.
Well, you're cruising for a bruising.
Now you got the thing
I
already.
did.
Look at Caleb. I should have been celebrating your screen that whole time. Do you have a script, or would you just crank it out in?
I mean, I did it in the REPL. So I just did. I created the collections counter,
Yeah.
and then you can iterate over all the things in the counter, and then I just said anything
That's
that has
not
a count
one.
not equal to 1, then do
Oh,
data equals
easy,
data
bro.
replace with
Oh, easy.
and then the result is the thing. So it keeps them in the correct order.
Yeah,
Stream
yeah.
just went down.
Oh no.
Not my gumdrop button.
Unplug the Ethernet cable.
This looks fine for me.
I mean, Oh, thanks.
Nah, Stephen Wyman.
What happened?
It's still really blurry though.
Yeah.
So try unplugging your Ethernet cable.
Well, that would actually turn the stream off.
Yeah, but you would switch to Wi-Fi really quick.
Well, Wi-Fi is still. I just disconnected.
I think it's
I think it will live
I think
currently.
it's
Yeah.
all right.
For the moment.
All right.
If you want the stream to be better,
Complain.
provide me the resources, in the professional word, resources to make it better. You know what I'm saying?
No, I
Pick-
don't know what you're saying.
Picking up what I'm putting down.
No, not at all. Can you be explicit?
I'm always explicit.
One small letter surrounded by exactly 3 big
This
bodyguards.
sounds like a
Yeah, it just looks
regular
blurry.
express.
Stream went down as we are all still here. As 46 people are hanging out with us.
Yeah, I guess we could all stop also streaming YouTube.
I'm not streaming YouTube.
Yeah, Caleb is kind of a. You're in your Discord server. Heck yeah, man. Everyone join the Discord server if you're not in there.
Shameless
Oh, shit.
self-promotion.
That's what a YouTube channel is all about.
You know, I was thinking about making robotics videos, John.
You should, dude. I think it is my belief that everyone should have a YouTube channel. From collections, import, counter. I'm trying to play catch up with Caleb right now.
One
I've been
small
distracted.
letter surrounded by exactly 3 big
Somebody say
bodyguards.
straight.
Dropcake, hey man, thank you. I am pleased that you were at B-Sides Delaware. Yeah, that was my 10 steps to build and lead a CTF for cybersecurity. Yiggles, thank you, man. 10 steps to build and lead a cybersecurity or CTF team. That's been fun. I want to do a new talk, hopefully like B-Sides Pittsburgh or something. Ideally with Caleb and Julian or with one lucky fella to I don't know, spread the love.
I think we should do a blue team talk.
We should do a blue team talk. What would our blue team talk be about?
I mean, we actually have to practice doing some blue teams.
Yeah, that's the hard part, man. We'd actually have to be good at it.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Well, we just never practice.
No.
Python. re.match. What's the order of those parameters? I always forget.
Are you doing regular expressions, bro?
That's what I was going to do.
That's the way it should be. You're the man.
I try. Sometimes.
Oh, I get it now.
Is there a shortcut thing for a lowercase letter?
Dot lower? What are you trying to do?
Oh, for one thing, I should replace all these new lines.
You can use the set, like
Replace
the 2 square braces and A hyphen Z.
Sorry, I wasn't listening to you. Can you repeat that one more time?
If you use the set,
Oh yeah, A
square
through C.
braces,
Yeah.
Blue team talk. How to not get owned by red team.
I think
10
fun.
steps.
Step 1, don't do it. Step 2, throw a party.
So I think-
Step 3, profit.
So I think it'd be really fun to create some way to really quickly, rapidly deploy agents, whether it be Splunk or Elastic or Logstash or Sysmon or whatever you want, and also deploy GER clients to everything, and then actually have some intelligible way to understand what's going on the network really fast.
Yeah.
So think like pros versus Joes. If you could rapidly push out stuff to everything, and then automatically be able to use that to detect when you're getting owned, which
That
is
would be a good move.
it's normal. That's not. It's trivial to do that if you have a good setup infrastructure, but when you just hop onto a network you've never been on,
How do you match one singular any character? Or dot, I'm an idiot. Stop, don't listen to me. Sometimes I can't think and my brain is dumb.
You were saying, Julian, about getting the agent deployed, or
well, so getting the agents deployed isn't hard. You can do that, but it's about how to quickly understand when you're on a brand new network and what the traffic looks like and what's normal and what's not normal.
Yeah.
Like, how do we do that smartly?
It didn't
I think the
mention
obvious
anything.
answer is artificial intelligence, machine learning, blockchain.
No. Those are buzzwords that mean absolutely nothing.
Cyber.
If you hear a vendor say AI, they don't know what they're talking about.
I mean,
Well,
good.
yeah, I mean that is not.
Isn't this match that's supposed to return something?
Machine learning in cyber right now works on very small data sets for very tuned applications. It
but
is not a
Python.
drop-in solution that you can just go magic. Machine learning found everything.
Go check out our talk with Dave Kennedy
But
if you want to
Python.
have a little bit more conversation about machine learning and buzzwords. And
Did he talk about that?
yeah, we talked a little bit about it. I had a question because I wanted to know his opinion as to, do you think, obviously, yeah, I don't want to give too much due diligence to InfoSec buzzwords, but what is your opinion
Don't
as
get
an
me wrong,
InfoSec
machine
giant?
learning is great in a lot of applications. Like, it is great in robotics. It is great in computer vision. It is not good in cybersecurity yet. And the people who say it's good either don't really understand what they're talking about, or they have a
Who's a
very
cat? Thank
specific
you.
application that they're using it for, and it works for that application. If that makes sense.
John,
I'll get off my
John,
soapbox.
What's up, Caleb?
why
How's
is
it going?
not returning any? They shouldn't have returned something even if it's an empty match.
It should just return none, from what I understand. Oh, actually, don't use match. Match is stupid. Use search. Match. What's up, Peyton? How are you? You're the man. Who's not a man? Can I say that? Is that something you can say on the internet? Yo, Jazz Kawan. How do I say that? Jazz Kawan? I think so. Yeah, match is stupid in that it will only consider a result returned if it's at the very, very start of the string. So do not use match unless you know that's what you
Is this the
want.
answer? Did this work?
Nick Ipsek's hanging out with us. Heck yeah. Welcome, Ipsek. Thanks for joining the party.
Did this work? I got a string of characters, but they look
Yeah.
really random.
That might be what you're looking for.
Wait, is
Let's try it.
You can't name drop like that, even though I kind of did it on accident. Yeah, Ipsek's hanging out.
We should ask him that Prevest question that we're stuck
What?
on.
All right,
That's
that's
really
all you,
random.
Julian.
No,
I'm
it's okay.
gonna continue doing this Python thing. I
I caught that dagger, Caleb.
am I retarded?
Probably not.
I think I might be.
I mean, ideally not.
So this needs to be 3 uppercase characters followed by something.
Is that the
it has
catch
to
with
be
this?
Lowercase. It has to be lowercase.
It needs to be. I'm checking the prompt one more time. One small letter surrounded by exactly 3 big bodyguards on each of its sides. Okay.
Oh,
Well, it's only got 2 sides, so let's get some RE in here. Why do I keep killing these comments?
How am I getting uppercase characters returned? I don't get.
RE dot. Let me do find all because maybe there are some others in there. So A to Z 3 times, right? And
So it has
then,
to be something that's not A to Z, and then followed by A to Z 3 times, right?
well, all we have in here are letters.
Well, something that's not an uppercase character followed by 3 up, or does that not matter? Maybe I'm restricting it too much.
One small letter surrounded by exactly 3
Hey,
others.
why don't we do it in numbers?
Capital. Do what in numbers?
Change everything to the wherever the ASCII numbers are for each of them, and then just threshold it based on whether it's greater or less than.
That's much more complicated than the regular expression, though.
It might be.
I'm
RE
gonna
dot
try it
find
anyway
all.
because it sounds like fun.
Julian's diving in. That's what we all wanted.
Shouldn't find
X.
all, or shouldn't search return all of them anyway?
Search will not.
Oh,
Search will only return
oh, hey
1.
guys, what is all this?
What you got, bro?
There's a lot of letters here.
Yeah, I got a lot too.
Does it make something intelligent?
Is it supposed to be like the same letter 3 times in a row? Cause why am I printing
I
the
get a
prompt
bunch of
again?
shit. Do you get this? Is this what you got?
No. Take a look at me.
What's your regis? What's your regis look like?
We're looking for. Oh! We only want the letter.
I put it in a group, yeah.
Yeah. How many did you get? Oh yeah, you
Fuck
would have got that many. J F E.
Wait, yours is weird. What the fuck?
I got the 3 letters with it. So if I
Oh.
just took the group, that would return that. Nick, good morning. Good morning from India. Thank you, brother. I'm glad you're hanging
So
out.
I didn't even have to specify the group. I put a grouping in there, and Find All just kind of gave me.
Yeah, find all. We'll figure that out for you. We'll say that's all the ones that you want.
So
No,
is
you
this
just
what we
join
want?
that.
I joined it. I don't know if that's actually like. Is that the name of the next page?
I have a doubtful feeling.
Yeah. No, that's not it.
That is not it. Are you taking a look at that word, Julian?
What's
Doing
that?
it, converting it to numbers.
Yeah.
The requested URL, absolute garbage, is not found.
We came up with the exact same regular expression. Like that seems like it would make sense, but
Maybe we're wrong. Exactly 3. As in, it's the exact same 3, right? That might be it. Oh. As in, there cannot be other
oh god.
uppercase.
Yeah,
etc.
that's what I was saying. It had to be not an uppercase character before that, and you were like, no.
I didn't even realize. I
I
didn't.
was right the first time.
You're always right.
What the fuck? Oh, it wants me to go to the PHP page. Maybe I should have like been writing these in a script so that I knew the answers later. There's already answers later, so it doesn't matter.
So yeah, if you totally want to spoil yourself, there are solutions that are publicly available on the internet. If you do the Google,
Well,
Peyton says Caleb is only always right when I'm not there.
Accurate.
I don't know what that means.
It means you're always wrong.
Aggregate.
And the next nothing.
I'm jumping to Julian.
Oh.
Don't jump to me. I'm not.
I need.
Oh,
I'm gonna
so
call
sorry.
This a CTF because that's the only like logical directory that makes sense.
Python Challenge CTF.
Yeah. I don't know where else to put it in my home directory, so.
URL may help. Do not try all the nothing since it will never end. 400 times is more than enough. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. This isn't bad at all.
Pie.
Classic 8. What is the exact challenge that we're doing, Ryan? So right now we're on Python Challenge, pythonchallenge.com. This is level 4. We're moving pretty slow.
Listen.
We're bad at this.
Yeah. When you apply 3 people in the same room and then 47 people in other rooms across the internet,
Why
you
are
get a
you
little
assuming
distracted.
their room? Maybe they're in a field with their laptop tethered,
Dude, if you are in a field with your laptop tethered, send
or they're on a
Pixar
boat.
didn't happen.
They're on a boat in the middle of the ocean, on Satcom.
on Satcom.
Yeah, they're streaming over KVH, with 6,000 milliseconds of latency.
Yeah, please do follow along if you guys want. You should totally climb in. I think NullPixel is already on level 1,000.
He's just better than all of us.
No.
I started 15 minutes ago, so speak for yourselves.
Hey, Caleb.
What?
Nobody likes it when you brag.
I'm not bragging. I'm just saying I'm not behind.
Python
So
Challenge
more
5.
keyboard clickety clacketing.
URL may help.
Don't use URL. That's disgusting. Use.
I'm sorry.
requests.
Yeah, I'm in requests. I was just reading the HTML message. I haven't used Pill in so long. I'm struggling. Oh, so you're only on level 999. I see, NullPixel. Import RE. John Hammond.
Why do you even need that?
I was just gonna quickly scrape out nothing with that.
Well, yeah, just split on space -1.
Ooh. Got a badass
So wait,
over
how
here.
many times are we supposed to do this? They said 400 is plenty.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go 500.
Yeah, you were on an airplane when you got your ShmooCon tickets, right? I saw that tweet.
That's impressive.
I don't want all that. Make that a lazy search, bro. Thank you. So we have to supply that as a parameter to the page.
No attribute strip. dot text.
Let's just start with that nothing.
I should have written out status messages. I don't know what's happening. Would it be weird if I imported Pwn?
Not at all, dude. How do I watch this without the comments popping up every second? I believe you on the right hand of YouTube. I don't know if it's actually on a live stream. If you can hide the chat, the top chat should have an arrow. Maybe. I don't know. I don't actually know how to use YouTube.
I've never actually used YouTube before.
You use a web browser as part of your terminal. You only live in the command line Linux.
I wish.
And Caleb.
Nothing equals body. I don't think I split it properly.
Something's wrong. I'm gonna hop to you.
I didn't know there was HTML in this. Wait, there isn't. So why am I getting HTML back? What the fuck did he?
URL params. Nothing equals nothing. I dig it.
Bad request. Why am I getting a bad request response?
So how many of you are actually following along right now? How many of you are also kind of running through this? Anyone playing? I know no pixels in the game.
Is it params? Is that the parameter? To
Params is for the get request
Yeah, that
and
was
you
my
and request. Yes.
Okay.
And the next nothing is.
Sweet. It's doing it.
You're
It's
cranking
working.
already?
It's working.
Come on.
It's a little slow. Ooh, look at this nice output the Pwn gives me.
That's neat. I gotta hide our mini screen so people can see that guy. Sending nothing equals nat. Nothing equals r.text dot split. Let's get the last one.
Oh yeah, you want to just use split now?
Yeah, now I want to just use split. Because I didn't realize that it wasn't only going to be in the comment. I thought it was just going to be the next page. So, I'm a fool. You can blame me.
I do.
As always.
This is a long time. This is.
It says only 400. Maybe one of them. You might be seeing something that.
I'm going for I in range 500.
Okay.
But it's just slow.
Just cranking through.
You think I should print the content of the response?
I would do it. That's what I'm doing. But
you let me know if you get something earlier.
I probably won't. Your hands are getting tired.
What?
If you actually look at the whole screen, you get a little notification. Your hands are getting tired, as if you were doing it manually. That's fun. And then next nothing.
That's funny.
And they just keep running. How does the song go?
I don't know what
And
you're
then-
talking about.
Run in, run in. Yes,
and
divide by
run
2 and
in,
keep
and
going.
run in,
One of them
and
says
run in.
yes and divide by 2 and keep going.
Oh no!
They had a trap in there. I don't know what index that was on, but nothing equals string of that divided by 2.
I just did this, which you might think is stupid.
What'd you do? Let me
I
see.
just said if divide in data, then nothing equals string. Nothing divided by 2.
Hit it with a hammer.
I should probably print the output of the thing too.
That's what I was doing. Thanks,
They're getting tired.
Jazzka. Yeah. I hope it's a little bit of fun. There may be misleading numbers in the text. One example is 826383. Look only for the next nothing, and the next nothing is 63579.
It's still the last one. Mine will still be fine with it. Okay, so
Oh.
mine got past the divide by 2 and keep going.
Good.
It looks like.
Oh, you kind of told it like...
I literally said if divide.
Yeah, yours is much more
shit,
generic
no,
than
mine
mine.
doesn't work. Because it's looking. I don't know. I guess it lets you do it even if you're wrong. Because mine was not looking for the right thing.
Can I help you, Julian? Where you at?
I'm good. I am thinking.
It's a good place to
You gotta
start.
love that little test with Python. So I get peak.html
Oh, you got it?
as an eventual response. Man. Do I really want to save this script or just take note of the actual final answer? Final answer equals peak.html. Level 5. Pronounce it.
Oh no, you're ahead of me now. I gotta make my script work. Because it's dumb. And I did it dumb. And
It's stupid.
it's my fault. It's stupid.
How's Caleb's audio? Is he a little bit more...
Is he
Audible?
tolerable now?
Yeah.
I don't think I would ever call myself tolerable.
You're still kind of quiet because you're like facing away from the microphone,
Look,
but
like, my screen is over there. What do you want me to do? It's
We can
over
move your
there.
microphone.
I just wanted to quibble at you again. I'm sorry.
He's just bitter about the
Needed to
lost
supply some
podcast
halftime
audio.
entertainment. Caleb's a little quiet. Peyton said so.
Well,
Listen,
shut up, Peyton.
Remember, she's always right.
She's not here, so
she will
That's
fly
true.
down here and slap you.
no, she won't.
Yeah, she will.
You should, though. That'd be fun.
It'd be a good time.
Here's our address.
Why am I not?
Everyone
Yes,
come
alright.
hang out with us.
Hey, John,
What's up?
the group Snapchat says to take off your bathrobe.
Excuse me. I'm starting a revolution here. No longer will hackers wear hoodies and sweatshirts and all that. And
I love
no longer will they wear hackers hoodies and hacker hats. Now we're going to be wearing the bathrobe.
Something is wrong.
My girlfriend gifted this to me for our anniversary, and I am pleased to wear it.
That's cute.
She only supports the YouTube effort
Oh
occasionally.
wait, no, it worked. I just didn't see it. It went by. Okay, I'm good. I'm done. I
Oh, we
don't
could
feel
just download this.
like... download what?
We can just get this thing.
What thing?
The next challenge.
Oh fuck. Pronounce it.
I want to see if you get this, Epiphany. I know because I've played this years ago.
What in the fuck is that?
Did I forget a Y?
What the fuck is that?
I'm going to challenge 6 now. Woo!
What?
Alright, that's what I wanted. You guys know. You guys see it. You guys know what it's up.
I don't understand. Like I see the file, but what the fuck is that?
Open mouth. Insert microphone at Caleb.
What?
Yiggles Mono. Our favorite friend.
I don't even. I don't. What?
Yo, Yiggles, did you see TJCTF is coming out again? It's like April 22nd, dude. Let me fire this up. Let me take a quick derail. I'm sorry.
John,
TTFtime.org.
TJCTF, what's up?
I have no.
So go look at the
direction.
description one more time.
Pronounce
TJCTF, dude. I'm so happy.
Pronounce it. Is that supposed to help me?
Yeah. It's a troll, though. Keep saying Peak Hill over and over again,
Pikil Fundar.
and then apply that to Python. All my streamers know. All the audience knows because I gave them a hint. Oh, this is good. This is great torture. This is quality
I don't
entertainment, everybody.
understand.
Julian, can I give you a hand? How you doing?
Oh, never mind. I understand
I
that.
fundamentally misread the ASCII table. That's why this isn't working.
I hate everything about this challenge.
Peyton Henderson, for your faces, because I just saw you put that in the Slack channel. Did you check out Unescape? I shared it a little bit ago the other day. For those of you that haven't, for those of you that are following and stuff in the Reddits and the community thing, Unescape just came out, which is a cross-site scripting challenge, war game practice thing. Yeah, good. I'm glad you're cranking through those, Peyton. Get ready for NCX, bro. I looked through those modules and I'm very excited for you.
Oh, did you get a sneak peek?
Yes.
Ooh, are you playing?
I
mean,
probably...
are you not playing? Are you moderating? Or...
One of the kidlets might remote me in case they want some extra ammo, but...
that's cheating. Honor code.
I know all about that.
Do you play golf?
Yeah, dude. Are there any good offline CTFs? Yes. Eddie, if you want to take a look at Over the Wire is a fine war game, Smash Attack is a fine war game, Pwnable.kr, Pwnable TW, Pwnable XYZ, Sans Holiday Hag Challenge, Pico CTF is still running. There are way too many war games, and it's all great stuff.
So is there multiple solutions in this one, John?
Of course, yeah.
No, not
As in, like, no, there was only one URL answer, but there are only...
like where there's multiple
Now what the
uppercase
fuck am I
letters.
supposed to do with this godforsaken bullshit?
Say that again, Julian?
Where there's multiple uppercase letters.
Let me take a look at what you got.
So the reason I ask is because if you go through here, you can see there's multiple. I put hell yeah for whenever there's an answer. This is really gross, but I think it
No,
works.
this is actually wonderful because if you look back at my old videos from like 5 years ago,
Yeah.
I think I did that.
Really?
I know there are syntax where I have like
are
disgusting
you
nested
solving?
if statements.
The one that you wrote a regex for?
Yeah.
I just want.
Fucking Christ.
I wanted to do it like this. So all it does is go through, and it says, so in ASCII, your uppercase
dumps the right
letters
syntax?
are
Mm-hmm.
65 through
I
95.
think it's loads.
And your lowercase letters are 97 through 127. So if the first element is less than 96, you know it's an uppercase letter. So uppercase letter, uppercase letter, uppercase letter, lowercase letter, uppercase letter, uppercase letter, uppercase letter, and if all of
Thanks,
these are
Jade Roy.
true,
Yeah.
then you know that should satisfy the thing, unless I'm doing it wrong, which I probably am because there's multiple statements where it says whatever my correct answer is. But anyway.
Hell yeah, X.
So actually, could I print out, how would I quickly print out x through x plus 6 of elements and then change it back into text?
What? String.join the thing something colon something, if that was in any way helpful.
You want elements X plus 6 as a list?
Yes.
Or X through X plus 6?
Yes, I want to print out elements x.
So
through
you
x
can
plus
slice with elements square brace X
square brace x.
colon X plus 6, so you get that chunk. And then if you wanted to make that as a list, as a string, you do the empty string dot join wrapped around that.
What is this?
So I think these are positions. No.
There's like arrays inside of the arrays.
Oh, these are lines. Yeah, I remember this.
What?
Sorry.
I don't understand.
Data?
But I need to change this back into a
Oh wait.
oh, I guess I could just do that of string. I'm really struggling tonight.
Python challenge is hard when you haven't already figured it out or you don't kind of know the riddle prior. Sometimes there's a lot to struggle through.
John, what did I do wrong?
Let me take a look. Built-in method join of string object. Oh, sorry. So the syntax for join is actually really weird because it's kind of backwards. It's like empty string dot join, and then in parentheses the thing that you're trying to join. So it's actually put the empty string dot join first. Sorry, hit the microphone, and then that.
Oh,
I like to explain code with my hands.
I can't read that though. Oh, it's becoming more clear.
Oh, it's coming to life.
There it is.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty.
That's not cool.
I hate it.
John, I completely am zoning.
You're fading out, bro?
What'd you say, though? You said empty string.
Empty string dot join.
Oh, and then that shit
And then in parentheses, yeah, what you want to all put together.
There's
That
I'm glad I'm not reading the comments because they're probably lighting me up.
No. We respect.
No, you don't.
We appreciate. We're all here to learn. That's why we do these things.
Now there are.
Does that work? Does that do what you want? Scrolling through it all.
Why am I short a character?
Groovity.
7?
Got a little close to the webcam there. Sorry, guys. A little close.
So that is a valid solution, supposedly. But then so is that. Is there multiple... That's what I was getting at. Is there multiple solutions? Oh, wait a minute. One small letter surrounded by exactly 3 big bodyguards. It doesn't say that it's... So yeah, isn't that the solution?
Well, you have to make sure that the bodyguards around them
Yeah.
do not have other bodyguards beside them.
There can't be more than 3 bodyguards.
Yeah, exactly 3. That's
Oh.
the trick.
So then I just need to do another... I need to move this whole thing over 1.
What is this called again? Python challenge. There's my directive. Directories are hard. Is it in this JPEG somehow?
Do you guys have any other ideas or opinions as how to get everyone's screen displayed, or what would you rather see, or how would you rather have the interface in the stream? Because like I know I'm kind of driving where I can say this is the screen that you're going to look at now, and we've got mini screens down there. But is there a smarter way that you guys would rather have or like better, or I don't know?
So in the other, we already tried hardware HDMI cables. Like John bought DVD, whatever capture card or game capture
heck's
cards,
going on?
whatever those things were. They just didn't. They were a little dark.
Yeah, we bought a pretty crap timer for screen displayed at a time. Like how long that screen has been displayed for, Eddie? Is that what you're thinking? Um, 2 minutes per person. Well, you might miss on some cool stuff that's going on. I see you, Yiggles. Lines.append piece.
Are you doing? Which one are you doing, John?
I'm just about to finish to get channel.
Channel? What?
The P-kill.
Wait.
P.
Oh, sorry. Channel's the next channel.
Yes,
I thought
sorry.
you were done with channel.
All right. So John, again,
Yes.
go back to my screen, please, if you don't mind.
Of course, my friend.
So there's again multiple solutions.
Um.
Are those not all valid solutions? Not. So 3 bodyguards.
So-
lowercase letter, not big bodyguards.
Now, remember, you only want the center thing.
Yeah.
So all of those ones that you.
Yeah. So these 7 characters would be the solution.
No, you. Each of those occurrences for those bodyguard cases that you're finding,
Yep.
that centerpiece letter will slowly build out what you're looking for as the answer.
Oh. L-I-N.
Yeah, R4J, welcome, dude. Thanks for coming to hang out. Mythic, you suggested moving to Twitch. I don't know. You know?
I know why you don't want to switch.
Yeah. If we do nerd stupid stuff, like play Super Smash Brothers or play Ocarina of Time. Caleb was playing Legend of Zelda Ocarina of Time a bit ago, and we were like, dude, we should...
On.
Was-
That'd be a fun, stupid thing to share with the world, but...
We Twitch streamed once. We had 2 people watching us. It was wonderful. We got our ass kicked.
Yeah, we
in
played
Super
Smash
Bros.
online.
John, did you get channel yet?
Yeah, let me hop to that now. I just put on your display for the internet faces because
Because I don't know what I'm doing.
well, neither do I.
Where I know they're implying that there's some kind of zip like tuple thing going on probably, but I don't know where the actual data source is looking at is, other than maybe inside of the JPEG.
Yeah.
I didn't see anything in it.
So
I'm probably dumb.
John, is the solution linked list?
That's correct, my man.
So what do I do with that? Oh, I
So
just
you
type-
throw that in the
Replace
URL. Yeah.
.html.
That makes sense.
Good
That's the
stuff.
Wow, this is horrific. Linked list.
Trial by fire.
Apparently.
I'll get my tea jug.
Caleb, get closer to the mic. God damn it, Mike.
I'm doing the best I can.
She's real nice to us.
Who? What are you talking about?
Paid.
Petunia.
Petunia. I forgot about
I repeatedly call you Petunia.
I don't words good.
that. Words are hard.
Petunia, thanks for being a supporter.
What a great supporter.
So,
Support so many things.
channel.jpg.
What, yes, the only thing I saw
Oh,
was the JPEG.
zip?
What?
I'm looking around at this too.
Yeah, so I assume they mean like the Python function zip, so it's probably some kind of like thingy.
Oh, no. There's a channel.zip file.
Oh, motherfucker. God damn it. I was like, is it embedded in the
I was still on view source, so I got a beautiful binary display in my browser.
Me too. Look, I just did the same thing. I don't know why it didn't like.
Let's just save this.
Oh dear fuck. There's a lot of files.
Yeah?
I'm just gonna cat./star. Okay.
I think I should probably make a directory for this guy.
Yeah, you probably should.
Give a little bit of a workspace. Whoa.
Cat readme.txt. Welcome to my zipped list. Start from 90,052. Answer is inside the zip. Oh, it's another next nothing thing. God damn it.
Multi-screen on Twitch, does that is that a thing? Does that work? Like you can let them have multiple inputs and you hop back and forth between the two of them? Is that?
I mean, that's exactly what we talked about earlier, John.
Yeah.
For doing the castle.
I didn't know if Twitch could do that and if it's cool. And if people would even like that or want that. Like I know this has kind of always been a YouTube thing. I hope to like record in my car so I actually make content again.
Get a little width open.
I should switch to Caleb. He's the only one doing good stuff right now.
I'm just trying, man.
Yeah, dude. Thanks for providing for the people.
You know, I don't know what I'm doing anymore.
Got to import zip file.
We don't request.get. We want. Oh wait, this has to end somewhere.
That DC traffic, Raphael, you know it, dude. It took me an hour and 15 minutes to get home. On Friday last week, it was an hour and 45. I'm like, I'm dead. Is multi-screen here in YouTube? Is that a thing?
Supposedly.
Optional features, maybe? That'd be slick. If anyone wants to get me learned up on that, I'm grateful.
I mean, there's also this great thing called YouTube.
There's this great thing called the Google. There's B-Sides Rochester coming up this weekend. There's B-Sides Greenville following that. Is anyone playing Girls Go Cyberstart?
Wait,
I'm asking that non-ironically because I genuinely play.
John.
Yeah?
did you say B-Sides Greenville is the weekend following that?
Yeah.
You can't go to that one then.
Why not?
Because that's the same weekend as Trey's wedding.
That's April 7th.
That's next weekend.
No,
It is not next week.
Like, not 3 days from now, but like the following weekend.
that would be March 28th, 29th, 30th. That's Trey's weekend is 3 weeks from now.
Oh, you're right.
I am Time God. Doctor Who.
what does it mean to collect the comments?
Oh, so then I don't have duty on that weekend. I need to check the schedule.
How do I freaking do the zip file module in Python again?
You
Wait,
don't
I was-
need to zip. What? Just unzip it.
Well, yeah, but I wanted to, make it good.
Yes, Vinoth, we are all in one place. You can see there's...
Don't
Just
show them
unzip it.
disgusting.
What's up?
Don't show them the disgusting corner that is this corner.
Otherwise known as John's face.
Yeah, yeah. I'm stuck at level 9. Catch up. Oh, jeez. Come on, NullPixel.
What is happening? Collect the comments. What does it mean, collect the comments?
I guess I shouldn't show off Girls Go Cyberstar, but it's fun and it's cool.
It's really cool, but none of you can do it.
Yeah, to be eligible for prizes, you must be
That's
a girl
not-
and in
Did
high
you
school.
just say nobody? Are you assuming we have no females watching the stream?
There was some hot debate on that.
What?
The percentage of my audience in the demographics wise that are male and female, etc. According to YouTube, it's like 0.4%. So
There has to be at least one.
John, stop being so sexist.
excuse me. I'm just gonna unzip it. You know what? You're right.
You can use the same script as your other one. Just replace requests with open.read.
Oh, that's a thing. Meh. Is one.txt or readme.txt?
Oh, because you haven't. Oh, yeah. So if you look at readme.txt and look at the files, it's all like.
I gotcha.
But I get to the last one and it says collect the comments is all it says, and I don't know what it means. I don't understand.
Oh, I can just literally use the last one.
It is Peyton. She's your point.
Decimal is the Peyton is the decimal 4.
Well, decimal 4 times what? 30,000?
I don't know.
That's how many subscribers you have. But
Open. Open. Start. Let's do a little format string. That's the way it should be.
Is that what you did? Dude, that's what I did.
Well, you always use the curly braces. I always use the %s.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
you're
think
better.
The curly braces are better. in my
Yeah, I
opinion.
agree. Well, Python 3 F strings are where it's at, dude.
Python.
Oh, you're
what
talking
do
about where
want?
you don't have to do it, you just insert the variable?
Yeah,
Yeah. that's
Yeah.
pretty cool.
I like that a lot.
Yeah, that's gonna probably cause a bunch of like injection bullshit vulnerabilities.
Yeah, true.
So some PHP flashbacks over here.
Yeah.
Why is the last one collect the comments? What does that mean?
Peyton on the quick maths down there.
What?
Decimal 4% of 30,000 is in fact 120 or so.
So
Yeah.
that's 120 is all your fangirl accounts, right, Peyton? You have 120 accounts dedicated to boosting John's numbers.
No.
I do not condone, support, or etc.
Etc.
That's such a good movie.
Hey, Internet, have you guys seen the series from M. Night Shyamalan?
You trying to trick us, etc.
You
What is it? It's Unbreakable, and then it's Split, and then it's Glass.
Yep.
We watched all
So
those the
good.
other week. Yeah.
We
So good.
We watched them all like in 2 days.
Yeah, it was great. We went to see Captain Marvel just a few weeks. Last week? When did that happen?
Whenever that
When it
happened.
came out, I don't know.
And then I impulse bought that sign behind us.
Hey, I'm gonna do a little os.system because I don't feel like going to find the right function.
Cheater.
A little OS.system from Caleb.
I don't even know what that means.
R.
I'm getting pings in the Discord. I feel like we're losing our vibe. I feel like we're about an hour in. We've lost our fun. But NullPixel would be angry at us if we were to shut it down. What's a horribly destructive thing we can do to like properly end the stream on a comedic note as usual? That's a hard question to ask yourself.
What if we had a...
Will H, we've been playing Python Challenge.
So what if you could create a bash file to keep changing your resolution on Xrandr,
Oh god.
and then you have it like keep refreshing as quickly as possible, and then just like, you know what I'm...
Yeah.
You see what I'm getting at?
Yeah, I do see
I
what
don't know
you're
if
getting
it'll
at.
actually go well in the stream.
Yeah,
but
I
it'll
don't think
look crazy
OBS
to us.
I don't know if OBS would be able to work with it well. MRX, hello, welcome. Bruce, coming with the fork bomb option. That's always a... We did that in the last one. That was quality. or one of the previous ones, we broke
What was the
everything with a
last one
fork.
we did the hey ya thing.
Yeah, we did the M player Hey Ya a bit ago.
What else
so
did
much
we
fun.
good?
Do I still have DM pings turned on? Mythic. How could you do that to me? Oh, cool. Yeah. Thanks for sharing stuff, man. I appreciate those tips. Caleb, you still cranking on that?
I'm trying to. I thought maybe all the ones that it actually used, you remove all those, the ones that are left have the answer in it.
Yeah.
But it's not doing it right. I don't know why it's dying.
Shaving John's head should be the end note. We'll just go get the clippers, right? Meow.
Are you saying meow?
Right, meow.
Do I look like a cat to you?
Moving around all nimbly bimbly.
Jumping around all nimbly bimbly like.
You're right. You're right. Yo, that second movie was nowhere as good. Super Troopers 2 was a disappointment.
Oh, I'm
What
an
are we
idiot.
talking about? How did we get to Super... Oh, was that a reference or something?
Yes. Meow.
I'm sorry. I'm not educated. I went to some college, but it wasn't really that good.
Shenanigans.
I wouldn't really call it a college.
Caleb is just an angry cat.
What?
I'm reading the words of the people.
How am I? Who said that?
Who do you think?
How am I a cat?
Just Petunia again.
Julian is the one that sits in boxes like a cat.
No comment.
Put on a classic C Matrix. How about that?
Hey, what do you guys think if we get John to make cameos and we make scenes from the movie Hackers?
That'd be silly.
Yeah, that's the point. We can make a nice B-roll out of it.
Yes. Dopamine addicts is yes.
I've been watching a lot of Peter McKinnon's videos recently, and I've been like wanting to make a good B-roll. Is that what it's called? B-roll?
Yeah, that is what it's called. What are you thinking, Caleb? You're the one providing entertainment right now.
I don't know. Is there some kind of comment capability in zip files?
Maybe EXIF tool? Maybe on each of these text files they actually have.
Zip file comments. That's a thing apparently.
Oh. What the what?
All right. Well, let's use the zip file
Library there?
module,
Yeah?
Even though I'm the one who advocated.
Yeah,
not
you were
do that
yelling at me
originally.
like, don't do that shit.
Comment text associated with the zip. Oh, is that really all it is? You didn't have to do all that? I'm gonna be pissed.
Let's see it.
I don't know what the function is inside a zip file to open the zip file.
URL lib has no attribute request. Yes, you do. It's right there. URL lib.request.
URLlib is funky in that it's been subject to like absolute version purgatory between URLlib itself, URLlib 2, and now URLlib 3, and the distinction between them is separate as the ideologies of Python 2 and Python 3.
So in the docs.python, I'm on 3.
Are you running Python 3?
Yes. What was the other tool you said to use?
Requests is what we like to use.
Request.
Requests is fantastic. Also, the dude that wrote it is a really cool dude.
Comment is empty.
It just makes, when you said request like that, it made me think of enhance. Enhance.
Some Blade Runner.
Enhance. No, that's not Blade Runner, is it? That's
I believe that is Blade Runner.
It's
Is it Blade Runner, Julian? Blade Runner enhance scene.
maybe you're right.
Zoom and enhance,
I think they do it in
also referred to as let's enhance, refers to a film and television trope. Oh, we got all these awful advertisements. Get out of my life. I don't want that anymore.
Some kind of like Unicode.
Everyone knows that that's Blade Runner. Thanks, J-Droid.
There is no comment in the zip file.
What is it referring to?
So there is a comment field in a zip file, but there's empty. Unless I'm crazy.
Is it for every single entry in the zip file?
No, well, so according to this library, it's just one attribute of the zip file itself.
I don't know.
Oh wait, no, you can put comments
Yeah.
on each one. God
Yeah, that's gotta be
damn
it.
it!
Gotta be it. So you have to follow the line inside the zip file. Oh. Oh.
Have fun.
The zip file name is 29.txt.
Do I have pip installed?
Import zip file. Zip z equals zip file dot zip file
What's that?
channel dot zip.
John, I ask this all the time. What is CLR, CLC, CL?
What, clear?
Yes.
The word clear? Oh, you're in Dumbos.
What is
It's
this?
CLS.
Thank you.
Dumbos. I like that a lot. You're running Dumbos over there. Dumbos me.
Well, I've been doing enough Windows stuff at work that I want to like use Windows as my primary just to get out all the idiosyncrasies. So I still have Ubuntu installed on this hard drive, but
Okay, that won't actually be too hard. This won't be bad.
No.
oh wow, that's embarrassing. I just wanted to type sudo pip install.
You running Hyper over there?
I am in.
Showcasing the Hyper terminal? All right.
I guess I can make this bigger somehow.
Hey.
Oh, there we go.
Good. It actually has quality hotkeys, like everything in the world
And
should.
it has just like Terminator, you can split it real nice.
I dig it.
Where is it? I don't know what the hotkey is yet, but Control Shift E.
Those are weird.
Boom,
Nice,
Boom.
dude. That's awesome.
boom.
It's like Terminator,
Yeah,
but not as good.
yeah.
Peyton's giving you flack for running Dumbos over there.
I mean, she can get
Ew,
over it.
Julian. Ew, gross, strange, weird.
Get info.
That was kind of funny. Oh, hi requests. Would you like to print out the following?
Can I just loop through those, like that? For file
Yes, you can.
in that?
Oh well, you can do zip file dot open and then give it the name of the file within it. And it's
Yeah.
a file like object.
Yeah, yeah.
And z dot get info is the way to get the zip info object to get the comments out of it.
Oh. Zip info. Oh, with an archive name. So first
Oh,
we
I
have to
should probably
return
print out
all
the
of
answer
those
at the end.
lists. Z dot name list. Print names. What does that readme say again? Start at what? This guy.
Boom, got it.
Oh, come on! Oh, I didn't even have you visible. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Do it again. Run it again. XCTech asks me, why aren't you using Python 3? Because I'm stupid.
Yeah, I probably should be, but I'm not. I ran it again.
Thank you. That was really thrilling. No, I really should be using Python 3. Everyone should be using Python 3 at this
I
point.
should be. I'm not right now.
Uninstall
though.
it off your system.
Python 2?
Yeah.
It's a bad day waiting to happen.
Just copy the binary. Just make
It's in
Python
the
2
air.
Python 3.
Look at the letters. Is this Unicode bullshit again?
I don't know. That's it? That's all that it gives you?
Yeah. I bet you it's Unicode spaces.
Oh.
That's a very CTF.
No. It's referring to hockey. It's referring to that text. Look at the letters. Yeah, null pixel.
What? What do you mean it's referring?
So go back to your terminal. It says hockey right there. And then look at the letters that make up the word hockey.
You gotta be Canadian, eh?
OXYGEN?
Oh.
Oh, oxygen.
Oh, yeah.
Is that really the answer to the next one? Why? That doesn't seem like a very Python challenge. It's just, can you read?
It's also a riddle, man.
Wow, that was. I'm gonna CD ... and RMDIR hockey.
Null pixel, did you hop to, did you get through level 9 yet?
John, how do I do this request one?
That's the pill, bro. So, linked list.php, did you view the source of that? Did you see what it says? In the request objects, you can use r.text, and it'll show you like the contents of that. 9 months until Python 3, dude. That's sketching me out.
I think this is just a word encoded
Yeah.
in text.
It is.
In the image.
Yeah.
Each of these squares, I assume, is a letter.
Yes. Let me hop to that.
I don't want to do.
I'll do that because you got that one.
Okay, I get it now.
Oh, you got some traction, Julian.
Maybe.
Oxygen. HTML. Save image as oxygen.png.
You know what? They guilted me into it.
What are you doing?
User bin env Python.
Python 3.
Well, Python because that is Python 3 in my machine. But you know. Pill. I don't know the syntax for pill.
Image, what's it called? Oxygen.png? Is that what it was?
Import image.
Yep. Dot load.
Open.
Image dot close. So let's do this in Pinta.
What? Not pill?
No. I wanted to get the numbers as to what I'm actually doing. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, you're opening it to see what like vertical offset it is?
Yeah.
Gotcha. You
Like
wanna
a
tell me what that is?
Actually, yeah. Sorry. Let me check it out. It's no.
What?
I'm sorry. I was just being stupid. What? It starts at. You can do 46, and then they're
What?
6 pixels
46
long.
pixels tall? Or it's 46 pixels down?
Down, yeah. And then it's each of these are 6. Yeah, each of these are 9. The F 0, and then bring me to 6, and then go to 12.
So can't you just take the length of the image and divide it by the number of spaces there are?
Are they 7? Yeah.
And
No
then
Pixel says 7.
Grab the middle of them.
Let's go 7. Yeah, it doesn't go all the way to the end, so it's still sketch.
Oh. I haven't seen Pinta in a long time. It's a flashback.
What's the width of the image? Oh wait, its image is it just dot width? Is it a function?
Image.size.
Size and then the second
Yeah.
thing.
So we want I now.
The third parameter to range is the iterator, right? Or like the
Yes, the step.
right?
Yep.
Cool. I never use that parameter in Python. So.
Are we on challenge 7 or challenge 8? I think
That seems like not the right way to get the pixel value.
Does Python 3 do funky things with pill?
I don't know.
I feel like it does. Maybe that's from pill import image. Image.open? That's not a thing. Oh, that is a thing. Weird.
Yeah, you didn't know that?
I was just stupid. You know me. 0 CHR text. Smart guy, you made it. The next level is you
Wait,
jerk.
what'd you do? You got it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
I don't usually use pill very much, so I'm over here.
I'm a quick
Bumble
pill guy.
fucking around.
Yeah, I do that a lot for stupid
Can
CTF
you
challenges.
explain to me what a bumblefuck is?
I can't. It's just a thing.
You'd probably
everyone
ask the
understands.
internet.
Probably
Hey,
should.
54 people that are watching.
What?
Get out of my life.
Oh, because that should be square braces, not parentheses.
Yo, is Cave on here?
I think Soul was the only one that came in and hung out for a little bit.
Cave responded to my Discord PM, but he didn't hop on.
What did that say? Integrity?
Integrity.
Alright, so No Pixel, you're at 9 right now? Did I miss a challenge? 4, 5, 6, 7. No. Why do I have a stupid... I guess that's challenge 0. I guess I've always been wrong in my numbering all along. No one told me!
You're just always wrong.
That's normally it, yeah. How's the war, Caleb?
I don't know what I'm doing. How
How's
do you get a specific pixel value? I looked somewhere and it said there was a
Yeah.
pixel function that doesn't exist.
Get pixel is disgusting, old, and deprecated.
Oh.
At least from what I understand. So in your IM object, you
Yeah.
can also run .load, im.load, and then you can index each thing with that data object that you return with it, like X and Y.
Wait, I don't understand.
So you can say
Load
image.load,
returns a data.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah, and then you can access them as if they're coordinates.
I is an X coordinate.
In this case,
Okay, I just want to make sure I was understanding
Yeah.
the naming
yep,
correctly.
yep.
Payload equals pew.
That's what I was missing.
I dig it.
My intelligence.
Anyone else playing along? Is anyone doing some Python challenge along with us? Where is the missing link? Oh god. What the F? Coordinates? Put. What am I even looking at? This is a bzip thing.
Hey, John.
Hey me.
That caught me off guard. So in requests,
I don't know.
you can just pass it params, right?
Yes.
So wouldn't I just harass it the nothing equals
Paracet.
harass it?
When you supply
Smart guy, you.
when you
What was
supply params, you have to use it as a dictionary. So you got your curly braces, and then except outside of a string, right? So you don't need those single quotes anymore. So you change up the syntax so the question mark isn't there, and you make it like a key value pair. So the string now becomes just nothing. Nothing itself is going to be the string. And then rather than an equal sign, you use a colon to denote this is a key value in the dictionary. HTTP likes everything as string, so even that number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 should be a string too.
What?
What
Who's this do with that?
do with what?
Smart guy, you.
You did not finish. You did not get all the way.
What?
You did not climb the ranks.
Is
You
it
did not
multiple
climb the
lines?
corporate
You
ladder.
just go multiple rows.
No. Well, how far did you go in the exercise?
I said from 0 to IM size of 1. Oh, IM size of, sorry, 0.
Sorry, that was stupid. Return good.html. Oh. Oh. That's what you were talking about, Eddie. A login appeared. And then we have a username and password, potentially, with what these things are. Open thing.
Is it Black Hat Python for pen testers? Have you read that one, John?
Yes, I have that book sitting in my desk at work. I remember doing these last year. I pretty much learned Python on my own. Now I'm going through the book Black Hat Python for protesters. That should be a book. Black Hat Python for protesters would be very, very funny.
Well, that's where you get a bunch of pythons and then you super glue little black hats onto them, like
Yeah.
little top hats.
Yeah.
And then you throw them at politicians.
You go on strike. I know. Ryan, you're good. We're just teasing you, brother.
Integrity, honor, loyalty. Sorry.
Huge.
Where is the missing link?
Didn't pull.
Username, password.
Ugh. John, do you know how to pip install curses?
Pip install curses?
Does that work?
No.
You mean apt install curses?
Mythic, thanks for hanging out,
Or
brother.
end
Hope you had
curses.
fun. Hopefully it was a good time.
Did you apt search curses?
I can't app search anything.
Why?
Because he's in the Dumbo world, bro.
Oh, you need to install curses. You probably have to do it through Choco,
Choco.
because Windows is retarded. Obviously.
Left-hand salute.
So what?
I said I did a little left-hand salute.
Oh, obviously left hand. Makes sense.
You know me. Thing.out goes to username, which is just huge.
Wait, how do you do an auth in request?
Auth equals and then a tuple. Yeah, dude.
Skadoosh.
So Python will handle these raw escape sequences
Yeah.
nice and easy for us. That's pretty
That's what I
handy
was gonna
dandy.
do.
So let's open. Oh, pdub. .bz2. I think.
Is that a? I was assuming that was just the string. Is it a bzip?
Yeah, those are all bzip files.
I mean, I see the bz. I just assumed
Yeah.
it was.
Yeah. Huge and file are the username and password.
Okay, I don't feel like actually doing it. So.
Well, I have already done it for you. The Dream Team. Dang,
Thanks,
dude.
bud.
It's getting late, dude.
Oh fuck! I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to. That bread is way too long.
Yeah.
So Caleb was an avid baker.
Caleb made
and,
bread.
Whenever John eats all of his bread, Caleb makes more bread.
Yeah, I eat a lot.
Shit.
So there's this. Oh, you're gonna show everybody on the camera.
Look at the bread, everybody.
It rose way too much. Fuck.
I don't know if any of you guys know or have met me in person. Some of you may have, but I have an appetite. I'm a vortex, man.
I made 3 loaves of bread on Saturday. They're all gone.
Saturday. It's Tuesday. Username. Huge.
You're welcome.
Why is there shit?
Because you were cooking.
What?
Username, password. Let's get requests in there.
John, I can't
What's
get
up?
the run as syntax to work correctly.
That's because you're in Windows.
No.
Bimbos.
Bimbos?
You're doing run as Aaron.io administrator. Man, I don't even want to touch that. Ben Arroyo, to stream all the computers, use multistream.me. Is that a cool thing? Does that work well?
I'm gonna cheat and just do this.
Multistream.io. I've heard of Restream. Stream to multiple sites easily for free. I've heard of Restream, Restream.io, but I know that lets you go to like YouTube, Twitch, etc. all at the same time. Not like I have multiple inputs that I want to allow the audience to choose from. That's I feel like that's a harder problem, you know?
Ugh, Choco can't find curses.
We should probably spin this down pretty soon. We're going about an hour and a half.
We haven't figured out a good way to spin it down yet.
I know. I need ideas.
Internet, how do we nuke John's computer?
Yeah, how do we break everything for the entertainment value?
Actually, let's just put it on the internet. We'll port forward everything. Drop your firewall.
Yeah.
And let the internet go
Have
to
at me.
town on your machine. Timer to shut down. It's the final countdown.
We could write let's do that.
What you doing?
Let's do some Python poetry in motion stuff.
Poetry in motion. It's been so long.
It has been quite some time.
Ugh.
So, I would say, while I was in my undergraduate years, poetry in motion, referring to the fact when I was like a little off the wall, like
A little?
yeah, stayed up until 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the morning, pretty much only ran off of Monster and energy drinks, and I would just say stupid stuff. The same thing that I do now, but like nonsensical things. People would refer to me, my friends would refer to me as Bizarro John, and then
John.
we came to the joke that it's actually Bijarro John, where you replace some of those, and I just think that's stupid and funny.
Han
So-
Hammond.
Let's import Colorama. From Colorama, import 4. I think it's also style, and then what happened?
Well, I'm gonna come join you over
Oh,
here.
okay.
And to cut out the background noise, I muted the other two mics.
Excellent. You're the man. Thanks.
No, not really. You're the man.
So 4 has, if anyone is using Colorama, 4 has a lot of interesting things. I think Dur will show me those. Take it out of here. Poetry in motion. So we got all these colors. So I think vars is actually what I want. Because that'll show me each of these colors. Your keys, and then keys will return each of those. Cool. So then
I just love how fast
Random.
you alt-tab.
color. Oh, now we need random, right? So from Caleb, what's going on, brother?
Well, the bread pans are in the oven.
They're really hot.
So key, print key. So now we get a random color each time. Good. What does it look like for style or background? I think back maybe. Is that a thing? Does that work? You yawning? Cover your mouth, boy. The internet's watching.
Yeah, nobody wants to see my messed up teeth.
Print back. Also good. Foreground. Style. Good. Background. And style. So I'm just trying to get a random attribute at complete random. And right now I've got the string for it, so now we actually have to get the value for it. So we will use vars for at that key. We'll do the exact same thing for all the others. So this is doing some little Python introspection just to get the potential variables out of it. Oh, since it lets us choose one.
Can you
real easy.
define Python introspection for me?
Maybe I'm wrong. Oh! Ew! Oh, you gotta angle it that way. You gotta show the webcam. It's bread, bro. It's bro bread. And now we need random capitalization.
We're fading.
Are you fading?
No, well, I faded like an hour.
Yeah. It's only been an hour and a half stream.
I know. I had some kombucha and then I just died.
So, string equals poetry in motion. And then
I think I still have a script for this on my home drive.
we're doing some poetry in motion nonsense to kill ourselves.
I think I have a script for this still on my
Yeah. Oh, sweet. For C in string, new letter. Are we in Python 3? Now we're in Python 3. We better be. New letter equals C.
Oh yeah, switch to my screen real quick.
Yeah, you got something?
No, we gotta let John write it organically.
Well, we can get a little like.
Well, you can finish writing it in a second. I still have this from a long time ago.
What's the
Dump.
what's
Dump
the
that pie.
date on the thing?
Aww.
See, you suck. You don't even have a shebang line. Your code doesn't even compile.
You know what, John?
I dig it. Thanks, brother.
Yo, can you throw some party parrot underneath that?
Not easily, no.
Make it happen.
I like yours because it's all one line. Like, that's pretty good.
What's wrong with yours?
So what I was going to do is I was going to have a random foreground, a random background, and a random style for every letter. And I want a random case.
Ooh, I like that.
I'm going to do that a lot of lines. So the new letter, I want to make it randomly choose x dot upper if random dot choice. I feel like this is stupid.
I just read. Julian's one of those stupid cats and sprints from room to room for no reason.
Yeah, I purposely didn't read that one.
I purposely read it.
Print new letter. X new letter equals new letter. C, sorry. Else C dot lower. Can I do that? Is that ternary statement like a thing? Nice.
You didn't know it? You can still print it all in one line.
Yeah.
Why don't you just use sys.standardout.write instead of...
Okay, that's okay, Caleb. That's why we bring you on. That's why we have you on the show. That's why we do it live. That's why you're
Actually,
here.
If you can go in the other room and then just tell us how to fix our code without actually being on the stream,
Yeah.
that'd be much
I need
better.
you
I'm
to-
getting a lot of hate right now just for a simple suggestion.
Fuck you, Caleb.
Like, I make one little... fuck you, John. Still running on my screen. Make it bigger. It's not big enough.
They can't see your screen
I know.
anyways.
Ooh, it did it. Ooh, it did it.
You got so excited.
It did it.
It reminds me of the AIM AOL.
There
days.
we go.
How you doing?
That's
You
really
want to
good.
switch to me real quick?
I brought it low so we maintain our professionalism on this channel.
We've never had professionals.
Yeah. Caleb's Julian's camera is just straight up chilling. Can you change the text to be like, please subscribe? No, do it. No.
Oh, God.
Foreground, background, and style. Let's see how mine goes. Ooh!
Oh, no. I got to zoom out now.
Please subscribe.
There we go.
That's how you have fun.
Yours is going to...
Oh, God!
It's so beautiful.
Sorry for that audio
You should
clip,
put
guys.
a new line in between those.
I feel like the background I can't
No,
tweak.
I like it.
It looks horrendous. Look at that screen tear.
I think it's fine.
It looks
Just
like
put a
those
new line in.
those ransom notes or
outside
whatever.
of that loop.
Yeah.
You know where they
There
like
you go.
take newspaper clippings of all different colors. And
Yeah.
That's what it looks like to me. Can you slow it down?
Yeah. Reset. Normal, I think.
Shouldn't reset just do it? And it's 4.reset.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right. I'm sorry.
And you need back.reset as well.
That's it.
I think.
I believe so.
I wish we could get a keyboard just on your hands. I would love to like
A keyboard on a
I'm
pen.
sorry, a webcam just on your thing as you do.
We could do that.
Wait, I can do this right now
Oh, good.
as you jam.
Now zoom it in so the width
Oh,
is
no.
just his so the width is just the width of the string you're putting in.
This is stupid.
We'll do the import
Can I-
add time.
What?
Add time. Can you slow it down a little bit?
Sure.
What's happening?
Oh, God.
I don't
God.
know. I'm fascinated by how aggressively he types.
Look at how slow that is now.
Why does it I was like, why does it print pi first?
See, I feel like I can't change the background each time. I feel like we got to decide on a background and stick with it.
I have that song stuck in my head now.
The squeaking is killing me.
How come it only goes to like halfway? That's really fun. Interesting.
Do you do a reset or something in the middle?
Oh, it might be hitting a reset at random. That's really
Also,
funny.
What are you doing?
So it gets all of these from the potentials.
Oh yeah, it definitely does.
That's really funny.
So random choice, the VARs or
Yeah, we can just pop.
Yeah.
Make it be static position, but animated. Oh, that'd be clever.
Oh, that was weird. I was indexed. I thought it was a list comprehension.
You're fine. Yeah. Do that to the. Oh, you just want the background. Why is it still doing that?
Maybe style too. Good way to spin it down, I think. You know what I'm saying?
I don't understand. What are you saying?
What?
Static position but animated. Why? That's so weird.
Hmm.
Maybe that's
And
the
why is the background still changing?
background.
Like even the background that is printing is changing with each one. Oh yeah, that makes sense. Per line, not per. Sorry, never mind.
Yeah, the line is right, but maybe it's style. Style must be doing something weird. So how do you make it static position like that?
Well, so you just increase it to the exact width of the terminal, and then it will just. What do you mean static position?
Like
No.
yours has a little please subscribe, or it was earlier.
Oh, it's
When
not
you had the-
it's not actually static. It just looks like it's static. It is scrolling.
Like right now?
Yeah.
When you had it earlier, the fuck you, John.
Yeah.
It was all one line
Oh, it is one line right now. It's just because
because it's teared.
it's so wide. So if you.
Yeah. So how do you get that effect? That's really neat.
Whoa! I zoomed way too far.
Whoa.
So let me.
It looks so dumb.
I think I just output a backslash.
Oh.
R, which resets back to the beginning of the
And
line.
then do a
each
little
time.
flush. Did you need flush?
No. You're doing it per character right now.
Oh, you're right.
You need to do it here. So instead of just an empty string, just put a backslash R. So zoom back out and then start it again. So zoom, yeah. Why is it?
Maybe
you're
I-
putting out a new line. Take out the new line. Put a comma at the end of that.
It's like hideously slow.
Can you make it faster?
Why is it being so slow?
I don't know.
You have a time that's
Try take out the print and use just sys dot.
Yeah.
That's too fast.
That's the epilepsy we came for. Okay. Time dot sleep
screen right
random dot rand.
Look at that.
Look, dude, look at you. You're the man.
Please subscribe, everybody.
Random range 0, 100. Float.
You don't want 100 seconds.
No, we gotta divide it.
Why didn't you just do a random one? I think just rand by itself is 0 to 1.
I don't even know.
This is
Pori emotion.
once every second.
Well,
So just
Yeah.
do rand. Just do random.rand
Or divide
without
by-
all the float bullshit and everything.
shut your goddamn.
You don't need any of that. You don't need the float. It is a float.
Yeah. Random got no random. It might be random. Who knows what that was? I feel like that's
Yeah, go back to what you had and divide by 900.
yeah. We'll cut it up a little bit more.
That's more bearable.
Let's tone it down to like 50. Random dot uniform.
Yeah, uniform should give you 0.
Yeah.
What does
looks good.
random give you then? Yeah, random.random returns the next random floating point number in the range 0 to 1.
Maybe, I don't know, might have been long or something. So now, how can we make a wall of these changing themselves? I think we just need a couple more sys.writes. So loop that a couple more
What do you
times.
mean?
Wait, John, what was that hotkey you just did?
What did I do?
To swap the lines.
You hold down Control and Shift, and then you move your arrow keys. You can drag them along.
Wow.
It's not going to work the way you think it's going to work.
Yeah.
Because you're not going to reset the cursor back up here. You're going to reset it here.
So would I need a new line at each?
You would need a new line, but it's not. You're not going to be able to reset it back up and make it just a constant column. You need to actually move the cursor, which you can't do with. Well, you can do with escape sequences, but it's
annoying.
nightmare.
Yeah.
Do you remember that? What's the guy from Futurama with the octopus or crab or
What?
Caleb?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Futurama. What's the character?
Zoidberg.
Yeah.
Okay, so /033 open square brace F should go up one line. So multiply that by the number of lines you want to go up. So if you print 10 lines, then at the end do a \R and a that times 10.
What is it? 0
It's a Nancy escape sequence.
Yeah.
It's the same as all the ones you're using to color your text.
slick.
So do that however many times you want to do it,
Yep.
and put a new line at the end of each of them. Might want to make that 30 a variable. Just so we know how many times you want to do it. And then put a new line at the end of each line. Except you don't want this... Well,
Why not?
no. You don't need the \R.
Not anymore, right?
Not with the \n at the end. Yeah. So then now outside of this loop,
Yep.
do a well. You don't want to do it at the beginning. You want to do it before the. You want to do it after the loop. And
That's what
then
you're referring to?
yeah, and then standard out dot right \033 open and then
Square
F,
brace. F.
a capital F. Sorry.
And then we need to specify the number of lines we want to go back.
Yeah, so
right?
times n lines. That should theoretically do it.
Maybe.
So you need to make it so you can see 30 lines, otherwise it's going to still look like it's scrolling. Yeah, it is.
That's super slick. So 30 lines is a little too many. Let's go 8. Come back, terminal.
You can, why is it not? Oh, okay.
Caleb, do you
What's that?
remember that Zoidberg and escape sequences that I sent you? It was like you curled it into Bash, and it made Zoidberg dancing out of escape character.
Yeah.
Vaguely.
I'm trying to find it.
Nice. That was fun.
Yeah. Is anyone still watching?
43 people hanging out with us
43
for
people still here.
our spastic colors. Thanks for hanging out, everybody. Hope that was fun. Hopefully we'll do more Python challenge later, but it was a good time. Like, comment, subscribe, join the Discord server. See you later, everybody. That was fun.
Check out our podcast.
Stop!